नहीं कि बच्चों को बच्चों की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करना होता, बट अडल्ट्स की तरह ट्रीट करना है, वो मेरे लिए भी एक नई चीज है. इट्स चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी.
देखिए वही होता है ना, we a lot of parents become like bad listeners. When a child comes in, you criticize them, you dismiss them, or you are just directing orders. You can't do that anymore. You have teenagers. मैं बार-बार इस बात को I want to reiterate again and again. They are young adults. You have to treat them with that respect. You have to listen to them even when they are being unreasonable. Even when they are being unreasonable. आपको अपने response को बहुत ही बैलेंस रखना है. आपने इरप्ट नहीं होना है, फटना नहीं है आपने. You cannot blow up. Don't blow up. They are going through a lot. They have the stress of being pressured into a house without their friends. They're going through a lot of changes.
True.
This is not easy. This is not easy for you, but it's not easy for them either.
Especially this quarantine has been quite difficult and quite challenging, I feel.
I think so too. Absolutely. And in order to be a good listener, again, show respect. Listen more, talk less. Listen more. Choose your response and ask questions like what, like how. Don't go into yes and no questions. First of all, like I said, Nabila, we're very lucky that they are even coming to us, because a lot of times teenagers won't come to you. They will go to their.
बहुत कम ही होता है, ये rare होता है.
Yes, I have communicated this with my children that I am regardless of what you think, I am your best friend. I am your best friend.
Do they practice that?
Huh?
Do they practice it? Do they actually implement it? Do they treat you as a best friend?
They do. They do. Why? I'll tell you why. Now, my husband is more of a dictator. I'm a more democratic leader. So, unke saath, they're not like best friends with him. They are more like child and parent. With me, they will come and it's very difficult for me sometimes to listen to some of the conversations, some of the topics that come up. But I have to tell myself, if this child doesn't tell me, they're going to go and tell someone else. And that someone else is going to give them a stupid advice or,
Yeah, God help us.
So I also do like meditation sessions with my children since they were younger, like creating an environment, like lighting candles, putting some music on, and just having some quiet moments with them. There's sometimes like my son will be playing video games and I just go sit in the room just to let him know I'm here. And sometimes I've seen him, if I'm leaving, he'll say, Mom, why are you leaving? Dekho na, main game khel raha hu. So taking interest in their interest, Nabila. A lot of times we don't take interest in their interest. We make it seem like कि तुम्हारा music, तुम्हारा game, तुम्हारा सब चीज बकवास है, हमारा best है.
Yeah, true. नहीं, but yeah, you have a point. To try taking genuine interest. That's what I'm trying to do these days. I see movies which interest them. अभी हमने जुरासिक पार्क देखी, जो काफी मेरे लिए ग्रूसम रही है ना, ग्रूसम थी, नर्व जवाब दे गए. बट आई वुड प्रेफर समथिंग सॉफ्ट. बट वी सॉ जुरासिक पार्क एंड दे वर वेरी हैप्पी. और पर मेरी एक आदत है कि चेक करना सोशल मीडिया. देन दो आई केप्ट मेड द रूल्स कि कोई मोबाइल पे नहीं होगा. फिर मैंने भी मोबाइल अपना दूर जाके फेंका. एंड वी हैड अ गुड टाइम सीइंग जुरासिक पार्क. आई वाज सीइंग समथिंग व्हिच दे लाइक. आई एम मेकिंग द एफर्ट. वी ऑल आर.
That's wonderful, Nabila, and I have to give you hats off to you. I mean, you are doing a very difficult job, and I want to salute you for that. I mean, you are doing a wonderful job. Give yourself credit. Give yourself credit. You're doing a good job. You're trying your best. However, देखो हर चीज के लिए ना, like I said, guideline होना बहुत जरूरी है. Very specific guideline. And you can even put some of the have a family meeting. Have a family meeting, and आज हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे. 1, 2, 3. Very specific. Very specific. अगर कोई चीजें तुम्हें bother कर रही हैं, कि I understand. First of all, you said competition. You said first of all, I understand there's a lot of people have a lot of things. We can't always have all the things, but we have each other. We have each other. If you want something, we can work toward it together. अब आपने क्या किया? आपने team बना ली. You are a team now. It's not like you're not on this end, they're not on this end. You're all together. So ये team का feeling होना ना कि हम एक साथ हैं. We are in this together. Yeah, I understand your frustration, sweetheart. I know you want iPhone 10. Nabila, why keep doing something that is not working for you? You know, if arguing about the iPhone 10 is not working out, why keep talking about it? Take a different.
अब वही चीज एक्सप्लेन करना कि यू नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि आईफोन 10 की हमें जरूरत नहीं है, वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव अलग है, अफोर्डेबल भी नहीं है, एंड मोर देन दैट यू डोंट नीड एन आईफोन 10 इन योर लाइफ. द सेम फंक्शन, द सेम थिंग, यू कैन यूज द नॉर्मल फोन आल्सो. बट एज आई सेड, वो इट्स वांटेड मोर एज पेयर प्रेशर. सबके पास है, व्हाई शुड आई हैव?
तो you change your stance then. Change your stance and say, I know this must be so frustrating. Say that. Surprise your child. You'll be like, what is she talking about? Surprise him. उसके जूतों में जाके तो देखो. Be in his shoes.
But I feel during this time of quarantine, we all have come closer as a family. हम सब ने एक साथ टाइम गुजारा. हम ओवरऑल एक सोसाइटी की बात बता रही हूँ. बच्चे भी, वरना स्कूल ट्यूशन, हम लोग भी अपना काम इधर उधर सब घर पे बैठे हुए हैं. तो बच्चों के साथ मुझे लग रहा है काफी हम ओवरऑल एज अ सोसाइटी हम सबकी एक अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हुई है इन पिछले 4 महीनों के अंदर. आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Absolutely. And I will read some of these comments because I appreciate each and every one of you who are here listening to us. But I will tell you, silently being together, Nabila, being parallel, being together, like going out for a walk, just side to side is so powerful. हम लोग realize नहीं करते हैं. Just going out for a walk. आप हाउस रूल बना सकती हैं. We go for 10 minutes walks together. क्योंकि हो सकता है वो आधा घंटा ना जाना चाहे. 10 minutes.
हाँ, वो बोर हो जाते हैं, गर्मी लग रही है, नहीं जाना.
10 minutes का मास्क लगाया. बेटा, we are only going to go for 10 minutes. That's it. यहाँ से हम
गर्मी लगने लगती है, सारे इश्यूज हो जाते हैं.
तो silently being parallel, being together, not confrontational, non-confrontational, side to side. Okay, just being in a room. आपने उनकी favorite drinks जो है वो coffee table पे रख दी, and आपने कुछ नहीं कहा. You don't say a word. Put a snack on the table, their favorite snack and their favorite drink, and just sit there.
Yeah, I surprised them yesterday. I made cold coffee and the dynamite chicken, and मैंने सुबह पे वो रख दी. They're really happy. So,
see, you're doing it already. Mashallah, you're doing a great job. You're doing a great.
It's a struggle. We try all the time, and it's not easy. As I said, being a single parent is very challenging क्योंकि मैंने बाप का भी किरदार अदा करना है, मैंने माँ का भी किरदार अदा करना है, और खुद भी सेम रहना है, और क्वारंटीन में भी पागल नहीं होना, घर के भी काम करने हैं, स्टाफ के लिए हुआ है. तो काफी स्ट्रेसेस हैं, जिंदगी स्ट्रेसफुल चल रही है, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Alhamdulillah. Absolutely. You're doing a great job again, like I said, but let's read some of these comments. Okay. Aspen is saying, old school parenting is outdated, I guess. Yes. Old school parenting, guys, is not going to work out. हम अब old school हो चुके हैं. आप पढ़िए नबीला, कोई comment पढ़ी थी, बताएं.
हाँ, मैं ये पढ़ ही रही हूँ, मैं देख ही रही थी. यस, ओल्ड स्कूल के ऊपर हमने बात करी. गाइस, हाउ कैन वी डील विद टीन एंगर इश्यूज इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच Aspen has again asked.
Yes, I did address that question.
And someone else has also said that children, even if we get them back, अगर हम ये no gadget time भी करते हैं, they sneak away quietly in a few minutes back to their iPads. That's so true. बड़ा मुश्किल होता है उनको. And as you said, that we all need to work on that.
Start with 30 minutes.
Start. That's a good thing.
I would say make it short and sweet. Start with 30 minutes. Guys, I understand.
30 minutes, no gadgets, no nothing. Family time करना है. भले मुंह बना के बैठे रहो, पर बैठ जाओ.
हाँ, लेकिन पता है क्या, उसको ना जब भी आप इम्पोज करते हैं ना कोई भी चीज, तो लोग क्या करते हैं, रेजिस्ट.
बिल्कुल, यही तो.
जब मैं इम्पोज करूंगी तो आप रेजिस्ट करेंगे, ये तो होगा. तो, लेकिन आप उसको उसको आप किस तरह एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. जस्ट 30 minutes. I just want to be with you guys. I want us to talk. Instead of saying this is family time, we have to sit together. 30 minutes तो बैठना ही है. बजाय कि ये कहने के, you can say, I just want to be with you guys for 30 minutes. Between this and this time, please be respectful and put your gadgets in this basket, and we'll be together just for 30 minutes. बजाय कि उसको एक order बनाने के, because we have to allow them to be themselves also, and without being disrespectful, without being judgmental, क्योंकि we are very quick to judge. बच्चों को फौरन हम क्विकली जज करते हैं, फौरन एडवाइस देते हैं, ऐसे कर लो. So the most important thing out of all of this is being able to be a good listener, being validating their feelings. अब आप मुझसे बार बार एक बात कह रही हैं कि they want the iPhone 10 and what is the reason for the iPhone 10 and X or whatever. But that is the same reason मैंने आपको बताया जो ladies को Louis Vuitton का बैग चाहिए. The same reason why somebody wants a Gucci whatever. What is the reason? What is the motivation behind that?
It's trending. They want to follow trends.
So we are in that culture. So that's why
we were growing up, ये इतना ज़्यादा strongly नहीं था मौजूद. Our parents were simpler. There were simpler times.
क्यों नहीं था नबीला? Because of gadgets. Because of gadgets. उस वक्त भी था, लेकिन हर कोई तस्वीर खींच के लगा नहीं रहा था.
ये चीज आपने सही की. यहाँ तो कुछ भी होता है तो तस्वीर खींच के हम ही लगा देते हैं. हमने ये खाना खाया, मैंने ये ब्राउनीज बेक किए, सब चीजों की तस्वीर लग रही होती है. You're so right.
So I talked about technology. Overnight, technology took over.
Yeah, and because of that, I feel a lot of things have become difficult.
हमारा कल्चर भी उसमें लॉस्ट हो गया है. हमारा कल्चर, हमारी वैल्यूज, हमारी चीजें उसमें लॉस्ट हो गई हैं. तो क्या करना है? काम हम एज पेरेंट्स हमारा ये कि उसको रीडिफाइन करना है. अपने लिए अपनी डायरी में 2-3 चीजें लिख लें. क्या है इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे लिए? And start talking with your children purposefully, not mindlessly. हम लोग mindlessly बहुत बात करते हैं, ऐसे कोई लेक्चर्स चले जा रहे हैं, बात हुई जा रही है. No, there is no need for that. Keep it simple. 1, 2, 3. What is the number 1 most important thing? Number 2, number 3. And keep repeating it. Keep repeating it.
That I really like your point that कि बच्चों के साथ एक 30 minutes भी अगर मैं निकाल लूँ ना, to have spent good quality time.
Quality of time. It's the quality.
Not the quantity, the quality I always feel is very, very important.
And then find time to just, when they are doing something, just go and sit there for 5 minutes. Just go sit there. तो वो महसूस करेंगे आपकी presence को.
You don't have to talk. When they're playing their PS4, अपनी दुनिया में गुम होते think मैं अगर बैठूंगी तो फर्क पड़ेगा उससे.
Yes, and say, oh wow, this looks really interesting.
Well, I say the opposite. What a gruesome game you are playing. इतना खून बह रहा है इसमें. क्या खेल रहे हो?
Next time you go in and say, hey, I want to learn how to do this. Can you teach me?
Oh my God, at this age playing PS4, that will challenge.
So देखो बात ये हो रही है कि क्या आप महसूस क्या करवा रहे हैं बच्चे को कि वो रिस्पेक्टेड है, उसकी बात मैटर करती है, उसके शौक मैटर करते हैं. He is being seen, he is being significant. He is in a safe environment. अपने घर में अगर नबीला तुम मुझसे अपने concerns discuss करो and I disregard you, how would you feel? अपने घर में. If I judge you, I disregard you and I don't respect you, how would you feel? तो वो एक culture of listening, respecting आप create करेंगे ना, तो पता क्या होगा? उससे क्या होगा? Conflict कम होगा. Okay, बच्चे के अंदर motivation ज़्यादा आएगी. There is certain hormones, certain chemical in the brain that are released only by encouragement, by reinforcement, जो कि आपको happy करते हैं. They are happy substances that are created in your mind, in your brain, when somebody says something positive to you.
True.
Okay, and this is chemical. This is something that happens. This is something that happens on a chemical level. Okay, एक बहुत ही silent exercise है जो मैं parents को भी बताती हूँ और couples को भी बताती हूँ. There is a very important hormone that is created in our body called oxytocin. Or so oxytocin is a very feel good hormone. When you're having a baby, the mom is bathing in oxytocin. This is such a feel good hormone. Okay, so ये किससे आता है? When you are in love, when you have eye contact and you smile, when you touch someone, when you touch somebody's hair or touch somebody's hand or do eye contact, approval. जैसे आपका बच्चा अंदर आया है, आपने उसका सर सहला दिया. Oh, how are you, sweetheart? That's it. That's it. Nothing. आपके बेटे ने
small gestures also make a big difference.
These gestures, they create the hormone in their body, the happy hormone. अगर आपका बच्चा कमरे में आया, आपने eye to eye contact किया, no words, just smiled. Just smiled. That's it. This is the practice I give.
Do that more often.
Yeah, for no reason. They need to feel the unconditional love. They need to feel that. They need to be valued, Nabila. A lot of times we are treating children like our belonging. They're not just our belonging. So again, the goal as parents is to be great influencers, to learn how to resolve conflict and reduce